I'm Courtney and I'm a third-year graduate student in the chemistry program, and I'm doing biophysical chemistry. To take the class for a couple of reasons. One is just it's something that I'm interested in generally. The other reason why I'm interested is right now I'm looking at my career choices and what I want to do, and so the gender bias is definitely something on my mind, and I just wanted to see what the general community's thoughts were on all of it so that I could get other people's opinions. I also have a sociology major from my undergraduate days, and I did my thesis project on gender and science. My thesis project was looking at how science outreach impacted children's opinions about how well they could view themselves as scientists when they grew up, and it was pretty consistent with other literature that existed, but mostly that if people could see scientists that they could relate to, then they could see themselves as scientists. So actually one of the more effective ways of influencing people to be scientists is to actually talk about other things, like things that the kids are actually interested in, and let them know that yes, you're a scientist, but you like watching movies or something. Well, I'm a chemist, and there's very few women who are full professors in chemistry, and Stanford is not any better than other places. Especially it's hard. I think that women in chemistry are just kind of catching their stride in the field, and they're still having to work more hours than men and sacrifice a lot more to get the same positions, and I don't want to have to sacrifice too much, and so I think that it plays out in different ways in different fields, but chemistry is in the early stages of gaining a sense of equality. My research is actually kind of interesting. It involves actually a lot of building instruments, which isn't very usual for women. And already I get the comments like I have to, reassemble our NMR probes, and it involves soldering and things like this, and I get, oh, you solder? You do that? And so sometimes I think it might be a little difficult to almost like convince people that I can do this independently when I want to start up my own job. Yes, I'm capable of building an NMR probe. I can do this, and so I worry that gender stereotypes will just be one more hurdle that I'll have to overcome in order to be an independent researcher in my field.